Good morning, day 2 from Sedona, and today we are doing the Call of the Canyon West Fork trail. So it's about 3.3 miles, only about a 300-foot elevation gain, but hopefully get some really cool views of the canyon, the red rocks, and then hopefully we'll be able to go to Slide Creek State Park after this. So gonna be another fun day exploring Sedona. Here we go. I'm not quite sure what this means, but I guess we're taking our own risk.
Spooky. Wow. Update. Mile in.
So beautiful. We've stopped so many times to take so many pictures.
This place is unreal. Beautiful canyon. Cliffs on both sides.
Water, red rocks,
It's amazing.
trees.
Yep. All right, we're about 2.1 miles in, and it's still freaking amazing. I mean,
Holy crap. Like this just fell off of up there somewhere.
pretty cool.
It is so beautiful out here. Like, I mean, just the massive size of these rocks is like, makes you dizzy almost.
Yeah.
I know you can't really, like, probably get the grasp of how enormous this is from the camera view, but it is just...
Makes you feel small.
It makes you feel tiny. It is, it's like dizzying looking up at it.
Yeah.
And
it's crazy.
it's so beautiful though. I'll call you Fishy Channel. Found the end of the trail.
Beautiful.
A little longer than 3.3 miles though, but very worth it.
Yep. And now it's a hike back to the trailhead.
And done.
We have made it back to the car finally. Beautiful hike, and it was awesome. So 7.4 miles and
741 foot elevation gain. Something like that.
Something like that. So
Yeah,
cool.
good times
Thanks for joining us today.
on our PNW adventures.
Peace out.
Deuces.